So, what's up, you guys? We are back, and we just got done melting some
Come here, Kaden.
well, we just got done melting
Some emulsifying wax.
Yep. And there's my brother.
Kaden, say hi.
We are all going to make the potion now.
Yes.
We're going to resume the series because we're not done with the videos yet. And
Okay.
there it is.
So, Charlie, the pot. So, do you want to put all of this in the
I'm
tin together,
gonna-
or do you want to strain out the plant material? Get into the camera, baby.
I wanted to put it in there.
Yes. Do you want to put the plant in there too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wait, is that hot?
Yes, it's going to be hot. Yes. Okay.
I'll put it in there.
All right. Ready? Hold on. Watch out so we can.
Mhm.
Okay, here we go. Charlie, scoop it with the spoon into there, like this.
And also, can we mix it with
Yes,
this?
you have to mix it. Mix it quickly.
spoon.
Hold on, Kaden. You get to do your best.
Can you hold it?
I'll hold it. You stir it.
Oh, kind of still. Oh,
Go slow. Go slow. Because you're going
so
fast.
fast.
It's okay.
You might.
Well, yes, I meant like you have to quickly start mixing it. I thought it was water.